dancing. Hey Jim, I'm getting you on tape doing that. We can hold that over his head someday in the future. Yeah, it's supposed to be.
I'm gonna hook this right through the head here, where it's more solid.
Good luck. Jim just had one go down.
Still playing with it?
Now it's down, right?
Okay. We need somebody to hook something here.
Where's the bobber? Oh, there.
It's still there.
Yeah. I can see it in here.
Oh?
Now it's
No,
down.
I'd take it, Jim.
Got him.
Got him?
That's a little sticker.
Yeah. That's what's been monking with these things.
Well, maybe not. He was just swimming at the boat.
Whoa!
Ah.
What are you doing? You give him back.
I'm gonna get this out. Oh, it's down in the bottom.
Oh, it's a nice one.
No, it's not, is it?
Now he's coming to the boat. Boy, I think he's doing that nose into the mud thing.
You need a net on him?
John, you get over there. Let me do some taping from back here. Oh, it's all right. It's a keeper. Yeah, so it's an eater.
You want to get him or you want me to go?
Oh, he's just barely hooked.
Yeah, you
Just sit down there, John, or get back just a little bit. You get this guy.
Here, you.
My bobber's gone now.
I wheeled it in.
Oh.
So, because it looked like his was going across that way.
Okay.
Nothing to it.
Throw him in the live well.
You want to keep him?
Yeah. Well, we gotta start keeping some fish. Decent one, Dan? Got that on tape. Let's get up on the front. You gonna get in your anchor rope? Whoa! Nice fish. How big? Bruce had one on too. Missed it. Dan, is there any way you can hold it up? Can we see it? Dan, you're in the way. Whoa, nice fish. 22 and a half? Oh, under 20. Throw it back. Did he swim away? Did he swim this way? We want to catch him.
Okay, maybe with a little bit of stealth here. Bite.
First cast. with it.
Yep.
That one?
Yep. See, it's got to be them damn leaders. Oh, he got off. Shit. I don't know why he got off.
John, is yours on or off?
See? It's got to be them damn leaders. They're seeing him. You must be right. They're seeing that damn black leader.
You got out there white one?
Yeah. Now I cut the swivel off and tied mono on it.
Oh, 5 pounder probably.
First cast I nailed. I had one. That was a nicer fish too. It felt pretty good.
Oh,